Well, I would like us to come to an end, in case we have any other questions that...
Mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igii migunda, Muikariri wa komishoni ya migunda Prof Mohammad Swazuri niekorire haceke agitariria uria muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.5 ciarihirwo kambuni ya Afrison Limited irerikanite kuyukia mugunda wa eka 13 uria ukoretwo moko-ini ma cukuru wa Ruaraka High na drive-in primary. Mugunda uyu ukirikana watarirwo ciringi milioni 358 hari eka kuringana na muthurimi wa Afrison. No commission ino ikauga ni yaguithagwithirie nginyagia milioni 260 hari eka, mbeca iria irigithitie kamiti ino ya mbunge igitongorio ni mbunge wa Kitui South Rachel Nyamai.
The summation or the figures that you are quoting, I doubt if they are quoted. Maybe you can tell me what page number that is. Thank you.
By the attached valuation from his independent valuer, camp valuers, his analysis for the Ruaraka High School was coming to 435,861,000 for the 13.5364 acres.
No agitetera commission ino, Swazuri ni augite marumirire mitaratara kuringana na watho wa igoti, merire horetwo njekini munini wake Abigail Bagaya.
We did not overvalue. Neither were we influenced by the owners. Because we did due diligence, we went to the market. Our comparisons there are trends from 2011 up to 2017. That is what the principles of valuation indicate. And we have a request, a claim from the valuer of the owner claiming 358 million per acre.
Munini wake mbunge wa Bahati Gojiri wa Bogo agikira nganja mitaratara yarumirwo kuriha Afrison Limited kuna thukuru uyu ukoretwo mugunda-ini ucio kwa ihinda ria miaka 34 nginyagia kuyukia allotment letter mwaka-ini wa 1999 irua ria riacokire gukanjwo ni commission ino ya migunda na njira iri na kiriga.
We are talking about public, and we know there is public acquisition which can be done because the interests of the public of the Kenyans come first. This is an institution of the school, of the children, of the parents. What is your feeling, even if there was no letter of allotment and all those kind of things?
We're going to interact with all the documents that you have given us and the documents that we were able to collect from the two institutions. We'll also be interacting with the Ministry, Lands, and also the Ministry of Education. And we will also be interacting with Afrison.
Kamiti ino ya mbunge ni hoire hinda ikorwo igithurima thuguri ona ndugamano igie mugunda uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.